How to fix Windows 10 or 11 could not automatically detect this network's proxy settings error. So if you want to fix your Windows 10 or 11 could not automatically detect this network's proxy settings error, then what you need to do is just simply right click on your Windows and you need to open up your settings. Under settings, you need to go with network and internet. And under network and internet, scroll down and go with proxy option. Under proxy, here you need to scroll down and you will have an option of use a proxy server. If it is turned off, then make sure that it is turned off. So once it's turned off, now you just need to simply go back and you need to search for CMD and open up your command prompt. Go with run as administrator. Click on yes, and here you need to enter a command which is netsh space winsock space reset, and then hit the enter. And after that, restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.